talk about all things Kizomba. Today I have a little tutorial for the followers. We're going to be doing the Kizomba move called the snake move, or called Manipula. So let's get straight into it. We're going to start with pushing our right foot, the ball of the right foot into the ground. As a result of pushing your right foot into the ground, that right knee should bend and the left hip, so the opposite hip, should come up. Yes, then you're going to straighten your legs and then bend. Now the left knee, which means the right hip, should come up. Yes, so we've got bend, straighten both legs, then bend again. So we've got push, straighten, push. Yeah, so you're really pushing into the ball of the foot. That's the key, one of the key things about this move, to do the snake move. You really need to push into the ground. That's where your hips will be able to move. Yeah, so you push, straighten, bend the other side. Yes, from the back. Push, straighten, bend. Push, straighten, bend. Push, straighten, bend. Yes? The hips, you're going to want them to do a figure of 8 to the front. So not parallel to the ground, to the front. Yeah, you don't want it back. So you don't want your hips to be back. You don't want your hips to be forward. You want them in line, neutral. And you want your hips in line, neutral. And they're going to be doing a figure of 8. So if you want to do the figure of 8 before you do the bend and push to get used to it. And now we're going to try and combine pushing into the ground, starting off figure of 8 and pushing again into the ground. Push, 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 push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another key tip is to keeping the shoulders as parallel as we can to the ground, yeah? We want the hips to be moving, not the shoulders, yes? So your hips are what's loose and moving, your shoulders are staying parallel to the ground. Yes? So that's the 3 key tips to the snake move. Pushing, connecting with the ground, with the balls of your feet. Figure of 8 with the hips, and keeping those shoulders parallel to the ground, yes? And then you can start doing your snake move. Your feet should be in line with the shoulders, but you can, once you've got used to it, you can come a little bit more in and be able to do your snake move here. Yes? So the counts, we're going to practice. We're going to go on 1, we're pushing into the ground with the right foot. 1, 2, we're over on 2. We push 3, 4, push 5, 6, push 7, 8. So on the odd counts you're pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's try to music. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. I've been McKiztosh, founder of McKiztosh Dance. Let's try it to music.